How to personalise your rose gift from English Roses. Find the perfect rose for your occasion. We have many different names, colours and scents available. Click Add to Basket on your chosen rose. The gift wrap options will then appear. To add a free gift message, type your message in the text box. This will be printed on our decorative tag, along with the rose information. You can also choose to upgrade to a greetings card. This will be printed inside the card of your choice. You can choose to add a cotton gift bag. We have many colours to suit different occasions. Your chosen gift bag will wrap around the container. Alternatively, you can choose to have your rose planted in a large willow basket. Your rose will be expertly planted before dispatch, ready to go straight outside on arrival. You can choose a wooden gift tag, which will hang on the rose. You can add a sachet of rose feed to keep your rose happy and healthy. We also stock a range of gardening extras, such as gloves, dead headers, and plant invigorator spray. Mix and match to personalise your rose gift for any occasion. Treat yourself and your loved ones to beautiful summers ahead by placing your order today at englishroses.co.uk.